Poetics of suffering. Ethics of suffering. Life is like a pimple. You need to press it right, squeeze all the toxic and harmful fluids out of it. Only after it bleeds and there is nothing left inside will you be able to start over, hoping it won't scar. Although you are replacing one ugliness with another, the scar is the only way to put an end to what makes you ugly on the inside.